Well, here it is. It looked pretty good when I got it, but there's a lot of things it needed. I had to put 4 brand new tires on this thing because the tires that were on here, let me see if I can find it. There's a little place. I don't know if you can see that there, but 3923. There's a place that tells you when the tires were made, and the ones that were on here were 14 years old. The other thing that I didn't know is, man, it needs a bath. There is a leak on the inside of the cab over, and I thought it was coming from right there. But when we opened it up, it's coming from somewhere over here on this side and is going all the way across and leaking out on this side. So the whole inside of the cab over is having to be redone. And one other thing I found out is there's a parasitic leak to the battery, and we can't figure out where that's coming from. So and I think all the parts are still original, so 1992, so that's what, 28, 92, 8, 24, 32-year-old parts inside this thing, so I think the entire electrical system's probably going to have to get replaced. Other than that, hey, I love it, and it's doing great.